Okay, so let's solve for problem number 6. Sample problem number 6. The sample problem number 7 will be solved by you. Okay, so at the last part of this video, I will give you an assignment for that. Okay, so sample problem number 6. So this is the question. Determine the maximum length of W14 by 82 section if it is used as a hinge column to support a service dead load of 450 kilonewton and service live load of 900 kilonewton. So yun siya, so pin-pin. Fy is 450 megapascal. Use ASD and LRFD. Okay? So W14 natin yung properties niya. The question is, or the required is, find the maximum length L. So you must find that. How do we solve for that? Okay? So let's try. So first is the given. We have the given, di ba? Yan lang naman yun. Yung column K is 1. PDL natin is 450. Then PLL natin is 900. Then length is question. So the first step is to assume. Okay, diyan naman magaling mag-assume diba? Joke lang. So you have to assume. It's either short column or long column. But for me, I prefer to assume long column. Okay? So, paano pag hindi mali yung assumption mo? Di ulitin mo lang. So, it's up to you. So, better luck next time pag di mo nahulaan. Okay? So, for now, let's try to assume first. Then, we'll check it later. Okay? So, assume that this is a long column. So, SR is greater than CC. So, SR natin, wala tayong makukuha. Diba? Pero we can have the formula KL over R. Diba? Yung minimum natin is yung RY. Diba? So, we have KL over R. Okay? So, sir, paano to? Baka mamaya kasi, yung sa Y natin, iba yung mangyari. 'Di ba? Bakit? Kasi, nag-hinge ba tayo sa gitna? Teka lang, I forgot. Ano ba yung tanong? May support ba tayo sa gitna? Teka lang, nalito si sir. Wala pala tayong support sa gitna. So, walang problema pala. So, alam na natin ngayon na mag-govern dito is yung y-axis. Pero yung y-axis natin, hindi pa rin natin masasolve. Yung r min kasi natin, yung ry, hindi natin masasolve kasi yung length natin is unknown. So, we can just put it as it is. Okay? So, we have the SR. Then, CC naman natin, ayan, we can solve for that. Alam na natin, dapat lalagpas siya dyan. So, alam natin, dapat lalagpas siya dyan. Okay? So, sir, pwede mo pag-equating ko na lang yan? Kasi makakakuha ko, di ba, pag nag-equal ako dyan, magiging short column pa rin yan. Pero pag lumagpas na ako dyan, magiging, long column na. Pwede ba yon? Pwede. Kung ang tanong lang, ano yung minimum length para maging long column. Pero kasi, ang tanong is, ano yung minimum length para madala niya yung PDL and PLL. So, hindi pwedeng just equating lang dyan. Kasi baka mamaya maging long column nga siya. Hindi man sinasabi dun sa problem na dapat long column eh. Tinatanong, ano daw yung length niya para kayaanin yung load. Okay? So, we cannot equate that. Okay? Where can we equate that? Mamaya, solve natin. Okay? So, now, let's solve for FE. Where FE natin is equation pa rin. Kasi wala pa rin tayong L. So, we have pi square E over KL over R. Which is yung kaninang nasa taas lang. Lagay mo lang yan, no? Okay? So, once you have that, be careful with the unit. Baka mamaya may mali ako mailagay. Okay? So, alam ko dito parang last year meron ako nailagay na hindi ko nalagay ng 1,000. So, let's check the unit. Okay? So, ASD muna tayo. Sa ASD natin, ang PA natin is just L plus DL, or we don't have a combination dyan na 1.2, 1.4, ganun. Wala ganun. So, we have 450 plus 900. Then, you'll have 1,350. Then, alam natin na yung Pn over reduction safety factor natin, which is alpha, must be greater than or equal to Pa. Diba? Wherein yung Pn natin is FCR Ag. Okay? So, wait a minute. Someone's calling lang. Wait. Okay, sorry for that. Okay? So, where was I? So, ganun pa rin, PN natin is FCRAG. Diba? So, yung PN natin, substitute natin doon sa formula. So, we can have this. Diba? Eto, nilagay ko lang dito. Diba? Pero kahit hindi mo gawin ganito ba't pa pinahirapan ko kasi sarili ko? Parang may gusto ko sa ikang palabasin eh. Kasi parang hindi mahirap i-type sa calculator. Gusto kong gawin, equate siya sa FCR lang. Okay? So, FCR ko, ito yan, no? Diba ito, nilipat ko lang dito. Ito naman nilipat sa ilalim. Therefore, ang FCR ko, ano ba siya? Long column ang inassume ko, diba? So, long column, formula, 0.877 multiplied by FE. Ano ba FE? Ito. So, you'll have that. Type mo lang yan. Diba? Equate mo sa omega PA over G. Diba? AG. Ano yung omega natin? Omega is 1.67. Ang AG natin is given. Oh, then you'll have sa ilalim AG. Diba? Once you type that to your calculator, you'll have the length. Which is, length daw is greater than to 6.8 meters. But I think there's something wrong. You have to multiply it by 1,000 pa. Kasi in kilonewton siya. Di ba dapat in newton yan? Anyway, you check that. Dapat ganito lumabas eh. Okay? You check that. Pero ang tama yung feeling ko dapat times 1,000. Kasi pag di mo nilagay 1,000, hindi mo papalabas. Why? Because that is kilonewton in millimeter square. So dapat, di ba ang megapascal is newton per millimeter square? So correct me if I'm wrong. Okay? So you check that. Now, once you have the length, dahil nag-assume ka, we need to check it. Always check it. Okay? Hindi pwede assume ko lang ng assume na mahal ka. Hindi mo naman alam. Hindi, joke lang. So, dapat, you assume, then you check. Okay? Then, let's check. How do we check that? Through the, assumption lang natin kanina, SR is greater than, So, SR natin is KL over R. So, substitute mo lang yan. Yung L natin yung computed. R mo is, eto, yung kaninang given, yung weaker, di ba? Then you have 109. Ano ba yung CC na computed? Di ba 133? Ay, the computed is 99 pala. Therefore, ano siya? Long talaga. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung assumption natin. Kasi yung SR natin dito is greater than CC. We proved that the column is long column. So, tama yung assumption. Sir, question. Paano ko nagkamali dito? Biglang lumabas ito. Short column. Then you have to repeat the process. With the assumption na mababago ni FCR mo. Ano na FCR mo ngayong formula? 0.658 raised to Fy over Fe multiplied by Fy. Papalitan mo lang yun. Okay? You have to repeat the process. Pag ganun. Okay? So, that is the answer for ASD. The answer is 6.87 meter. Okay? But, what about pag LRFD na? Ano na yung sagot pag LRFD? So, ganun lang din ang process. Assume ko ulit, long column kasi alam ko kasing long column na siya. Pero, i-try nyo. Paano pag mali ang assumption nyo. Okay? So, I want to leave that to you para mag-practice kayo. Okay? So, let's try paano pag long column siya. So, KL over R, ganun pa rin. Wala ka naman malalagay dyan. Ganun pa rin yan. Yung SCC mo, ganun pa rin naman. Wala kang mababago eh. Lang din yung kanina. FE mo, wala ding mababago. Ganun pa rin. Ano lang ba ang babago dyan? Dapat alam natin, for long column kasi, we have PU eh. Yung PU kasi mahalaga para kasi gagamitin natin yan mamaya. Yung FCR, mababago din, syempre. Pero gamitin mo natin yung PU. Ano ba yung PU natin? 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. Okay, nantok na si sir. So, you have to plug it. And the PU is 1,980 kilonewton. Okay? So, alam natin na yung design strength natin must be greater than or equal to PU. Therefore, we can equate that. Okay? Where yung PN natin is FCRAG. Pasok natin dun. So, phi FCRAG is equal to PU. Diba? So, palabasin natin yung FCR. FCR natin, lalagyan mo natin sa ilalim dito. Diba? Ito, lagyan mo sa ilalim. Ito, lagyan mo sa ilalim. Kaya naging ganito. Okay? FCR is long column pa rin. Kaya gusto kong ina-assume ng long column, mas maikli yung formula eh. So, pag natama ako, di mas madali. Pero pag mali, di malas mo. Ulitin mo. So, you have 0.877 FE. Yung FE natin, itong kanina lang. So, lagyan mo lang dyan. May L ka din dyan, di ba? So, 1,980 kilonewton per 1,980 kilonewton. Then you divide to phi Ag. Okay? Then you multiply it to what? You just multiply it by 1,000. Mali yung, may kulang lang sa calculation. Okay? Multiply by 1,000 para maging tama sagot. Kasi pag hindi mo multiply yan, hindi mo papalabas. But you check it. Baka mamaya mali ako. Sige nga, let's try. Baka mali ako. Saka syempre, tingnan nyo makatotohanan yung sagot. Baka mamaya naka-millimeter kayo eh. Tapos ang sagot nyo, 5 lang. Hindi mali ka agad yun. 5 millimeter ang sagot. Diba? So, gano'n lang dapat. Dapat nag-unit analysis kayo. 1. So, medyo matulin tayo kasi hindi na ako nagkakalculate. Pero dapat kayo, post nyo lang na i-post para kayo mag-calculate dyan. 1,980 times 1,000. Kaso mahirap na pala siya i-type sa calculator. Let's try. So, tama naman. So, you have to multiply it by 1,000 na. Lagay nyo sa equation nyo yun. Okay? Pag di mo nilagay yan, mali lalabas. Hindi nyo mapapalabas yung sagot. Okay? So, the answer is 6,961. So, 6.96 meter. But, again, you have to check it. Okay, let's check. Hindi ka nag-check. Assume ko lang na assume. So, check mo kung long column ba talaga siya. So, we need to get the SR, which is KL over R. Yung L natin, substitute lang natin, yung solve natin. Then, R is that. And the answer is 110. So, I think tama pa rin naman. Kasi ang CC natin is 99 eh, di ba? So, we have 99.296. So, still, SR is greater than CC. Therefore, it is long column. So, the assumption is correct. The L is correct. Kasi pag mali assumption mo, mali L mo, you have to repeat the process. Okay? So, that is for problem number 6. Okay? For problem number 7, you have to answer this on your own. Okay? Almost same lang din naman sila. So, the question is, determine the maximum length. Ito pa rin, maximum length pa rin tinatanong. Then, actually, yung load nila pares lang din. Ano lang talaga pinagkaiba nila? Fy. You try kung ano magiging sagot. So, this is just a twist problem. And use LRFD lang naman. So, basic lang naman siya. Okay? So, solve it on your own. Okay? So, I hope you really solve this. Bye-bye. See you next video.